Hi, my name is Bill Johnson, Senior Technical Trainer for Tech International. Today we're discussing removal of the heavier poly cover material found in Tech all-purpose repairs. The process for removing this cover material is different than removing the old clear poly. The key for removing this poly is proper stitching of the repair unit. Be sure to use firm pressure on the stitcher and stitch the repair unit from the center out in both directions. This will cause that poly to lift on the edge and make it easy to remove by hand. If this does not cause the poly to come loose, simply stitch the repair unit on one edge, which will cause the poly to curl up and make it easy to remove. For more information, contact Tech's training department. Once again, my name is Bill Johnson for Tech International.